Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to today's phonics lesson. We're going to see if we can play a game of yes and no questions. Do you think you can help me? Now, remember, when we see a question and there's a picture, we see if we can use the picture to help us with our reading. So let's have a look at the picture. What can you see? There's a hill, isn't there? A hill, it goes all the way up and all the way down. I'd like to roll down that hill. It looks like lots of fun. Let's see if we can read the question. Her ass has a hill. Her hill has a hill got has a hill got a top. Has a hill got a top? Your turn, can you read it? Well done. Can you see the question mark at the end? Well spotted. That means it's a question. Has a hill got a top? Yes, a hill does have a top. Who goes to the top of the hill? I know a nursery rhyme. Jack and Jill go to the top of the hill. So, has a hill got a top? Yes, it has. Next, what can you see? Oh, I can see a little rocket. It looks like it's going to go on a space mission all the way up, maybe, to the moon. Let's see what this question says. Her ass has a... Oh, this is a tricky word, isn't it? It's quite long. Let's see if we can break it up into two parts. Rock, at, rocket. Oh, rocket. Has a rocket got. Has a rocket got a tip? Has a rocket got a tip? Oh, do you know what a tip is? A tip is like a point, like an end, like a felt tip. Do you know a felt tip pen? Yes, well, the end bit is a tip. Okay, has a rocket got a tip? Yes, can you point to it? It's at the top, isn't it? Well done. Can you read the sentence? Has a rocket got a tip? Yes, well done. Oh, now, what can you see? Oh, I can see a packet of crisps. Oh, the blue ones look like my favourite. Yummy. So, let's see if we can read this question. Are we ready? Can. Oh, another long word. Let's split it up. Pack. Pack. Packet. Oh, packet. I can see a packet. Can a packet get? Can a packet get a lip? Can a packet get a lip? That's a strange question. Can a packet get a lip? What do you think? Can you read that question? Does that make any sense? Can a packet get a lip? No. Are you ready for our next one? What do you see? I can see a man and a dog. I can see a man and a dog. He looks like he's maybe going to pat the dog or stroke him, doesn't he? Let's have a look. Let's see if we can read the words. Can. Can a man. Can a man kiss? Kiss. Can a man kiss a? Oh, it begins with a D. I can see a dog. Do you think that word could say dog? Let's check. D-O-G. Yes, it says dog. Can a man kiss a dog? Can a man kiss a dog? Can you read that sentence? Well done, good reading. Can a man kiss a dog? Of course he can. Dogs like to have lots of cuddles and kisses, and dogs even like to give kisses back, don't they? Sometimes they'll lick you on your face. They're very cheeky. Are we ready for our next question? Let's see what we can see. Oh, there's another dog. It looks like it's running away somewhere, doesn't it? Oh, and there is what's that? It's got some handles. It's like a little bag, isn't it? Let's see if we can read this sentence. Oh, it starts with the same word as the other sentences. Can you remember what that word says? You're right. It says can at the start. Well done. Can a d-o-g. D-o-g, dog. Can a dog get get? Can a dog get in? Can a dog get in a bag? Bag. Oh yes, there's the bag. Can a dog get in a bag? Can you read it? What do you think? Can a dog get in a bag? Do you think it could get in that bag? I think it probably could. Do you think it'd want to? I don't think it'd want to, but yes, I think it can get in the bag. Are we ready? Let's try our next one. Oh, there's a man. He looks like an older man, doesn't he? He's got grey hair. He's got some glasses and a moustache. Oh, and what's he got in his hand? That's a walking stick. When you get older, you might need a walking stick to help you walk. Let's see if we can read the sentence about this man. There's that word again. What did it say? Can. Well done, you're right. Can a man. Can a man huff? Can a man huff? Oh, I've just spotted our digraph from the other day. The double sound. 2 letters making one sound. Can a man huff? And I heard you read that. Well done all by yourself. Can a man huff and puff? Can a man huff and puff? Can a man huff and puff? Can you read that sentence? Well done. Can a man huff and puff? Yes, you're right. A man can huff and puff. Sometimes if you get very hot and tired, it makes you go when you've been walking for a long time. So I think the man can huff and puff. Yes. Oh, now what do you see? I see a girl and a boy and a dog. What's that dog doing? He's doing tricks, isn't he? He's on his back legs. He's jumping up at the girl. Dogs usually jump up when they want something. We call that begging. Can you say that? Now, do you think you can help me to read the question? Let's go. Well done for spotting that same word again. Can. Can a dog. 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 Can a dog beg? Beg. Beg. Can a dog beg? Can a dog beg? Can you read it? What do you think? Yes or no? Can a dog beg? You're right. A dog can beg. He's begging in this picture, isn't he? Oh, what can you see now? Oh, I can see a ball. And a mouse or a rat? Yes, I can see. Can you see their teeth? They look like they've got good teeth for nibbling, don't they? Let's have a look and see if we can read this question. There's that word again. Well spotted. It says can. Can a rat. 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 Can a rat get. 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 Can a rat get a b-a-l? B-a-l. Ball. That doesn't seem to make any sense. Let's look at the picture and see if it helps us. B-a-l. Ball. Ball. Oh no, what does it say? Oh yes, it's ball. Do you think that word says ball? I think you're right. Can a rat get a ball? Your turn. Well done. Do you think the rat could get the ball? I think the rat might be a bit too small to play with that ball. I don't think a rat would be very good at playing ball. I think he might pop it. Now let's try our next question. And I see that you've spotted that word again at the start. What does it say? Can. Yes, you're right. Now, have a look in that sentence. Do you see our digraph we learnt the other day? Can you point to it? Well spotted. There it is. The f sound. Let's see if we can read it. So, can a. Oh, there's that word again. B-a-l. It didn't say ball. Oh, it's a ball again. You're right. Can a ball r-o-l roll? Can a ball roll? Off. Off. Can a ball roll off a mat? Mat. Can a ball roll off a mat? Oh, that doesn't make sense. What might that say instead? Can a ball roll off a mat? Oh, I know. If the ball is like a circle, like a sphere, it can sometimes roll about. Do you think it might say roll? Let's try again. Can a ball roll off a mat? Does that make sense? Yes, let's try it one more time. Can a ball roll off a mat? Your turn. Yes, you're right. A ball can roll off a mat. A ball is very good at rolling, isn't it? Because it's round. Are we ready? There's that word again. Can. Well spotted. Can a pan. Oh yes, a pan in the picture. Can a pan get? Can a pan get hot? Can a pan get hot? Can a pan get hot? It certainly can. You have to be very careful. Right, let's see if we can do one last question. Are you ready? There's that word again. What does it say? Can. Well done. Can a pig? Pig. Can a pig hop? Hop. Can a pig hop? Can a pig hop? Your turn. What do you think? That's a funny question. Do you think a pig can hop? No, I don't think a pig can hop. Well done. We've done lots of reading, boys and girls, so we're going to leave it there for today. and we'll see if we can do some more yes and no questions next week.